Sino excited? Yes. Okay, so our game for this event is called Chicken Banana. Okay, so as you can see kids, before we start pala, let me introduce ourselves muna. My name is Kuya Edgy together with Ate Mean. Okay, so our game for this afternoon is called Chicken and Banana. As you can see kids, we have 3 baskets dyan. Each baskets po, meron po siyang pictures ng chicken and banana. Ayan. So ang gagawin natin kids is, well, the music is playing and then narinig natin yung last word na banana. You have to pick the banana on the baskets po, paunahan. Okay, dapat makakuha kayo ng 2 pictures in each round. It's either chicken or banana. Okay? So yeah, sample tayo. Let's do the trial kids, ha? Music Ate Mehan. Okay, so your action for the chicken is like this. And that's for the banana. Okay, one more time, Ate. Come on kids, here in front, we have to dance and then you have to grab the fruits or the banana later on. Come on, dito tayo sa harapan. Line up kayo dito sa aking harapan. Ayan, dito kayo ate. Okay, so what's the action for the chicken? Ayan, so kids, are you ready? This just for the trial, trial tayo. Okay, so when I raise the chicken, you have to find the chicken on the basket and raise it, okay? Sige. Music please. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Banana, banana. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Okay, be ready. I will raise the picture. Dance kids, dance muna, dance. Banana! You have to find banana! Very good, come on, in front! Meron pa dun, meron pa! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan, very good, 2. Okay, that's for the trial lang. So yung naiintindihan po ba ang game natin, kids? That's for the trial lang po. Okay, kids, nagets ba yung game natin? Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's do it. This is the final. Music please. Chicken. Chicken. Okay, patingin ng dance dali. Dance, yes. Very good. Okay, get ready. Chicken. Kawan ko yan, kaya ko yan. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ay, kuya. Okay, so out na muna si kuya. Come on, kuya. Yan, thank you. Okay, kids. Let's do the second round. Ayan. Okay, so may matatanggal sa inyong 2 later on. Alright, kids, get ready. Music, please. Okay, get ready. Chicken. Chicken. Banana. 1, 2. Okay, so na-auto na 2. High five. High five? Okay, sit down muna kayo. Let's have last round. Last round na tayo, kids. Asa na yung isa? Last natin. Meron pa tayong last round dati. Last round tayo. Okay. Ayan. Get ready, kids. Are you ready? Last round. Okay, patingin ng dance moves natin. Ulit ate. Music, please. Okay. Okay. Chicken. Chicken. Banana. Let's find the banana. Okay, sinong nakakuha ng banana? Ayan, high five tayo. Very good, you're the winner. Congratulations. Yan, thank you so much. Huwag mo nang alis, meron pa tayong second game.